Hallo! Hello, my dear friends! Wie geht's? How are you? This is your German teacher, Irina Movsisyan. And welcome to Insta Language Online. Today we're going to be talking about articles again. At our previous class, we talked about der, die, das. This is der in English. We have three versions in German, der, die, das. Today, we're going to be taking an indefinite article, eine. So, in the English language, we have an apple, an elephant, a mother, a father, a dog, a cat. So we have three articles again in the German language: masculine, feminine, and neutral. I specifically started with definite articles so you would see the difference. Der, die, das. It's like sie, es. He, she, it. So by the ending, you understand which article it is, which gender it is. Here, it's a bit confusing because the masculine article and the neutral article, they are the same. That's why I started with der, die, das. So you would have the idea. Okay, we have three articles, masculine, feminine, neutral. Now, you see which one is which one. So, when do we use these articles eine? First of all, they look like number one, ein. Eins, zwei, drei. If you know how to count, you know that this looks like number one. You can only use these articles with one item, one subject, one person. And number two, you're talking about this subject or a person for the first time, and the person who is talking to you, they don't know what you're talking about. So they hear this for the first time. For example, you are introducing somebody or something, or you're showing it something. For example, das ist ein Hund. This is a dog. This is one dog. What do we see here? Das ist, this is, and then we put an article. First of all, it's der Hund. A dog is masculine. So you need to remember, we talk about the subject for the first time. It's one subject. So we have to put an article ein. Das ist ein Hund. Die Katze, the cat, is feminine. So we say das ist eine Katze. So we are using a feminine article right now. Das ist ein Hund, das ist eine Katze. Do you remember we talked about Mädchen at our previous class? It's das Mädchen. Mädchen is neutral. So again, if you want to say, this is a girl, you say, das ist ein Mädchen. So you're using a neutral article. Das Haus, the house. So we take ein, this one. Das ist ein Haus. This is a house. And das Buch, that's a book. Buch, very similar, right? Das ist ein Buch. Okay, so you have to remember which article you use with which word. Can you look at this and say, hey, das ist ein Buch, and do you know, is it der Buch or das Buch if you see it for the first time? No, you don't. I know it's very, very frustrating. We have billion of words, right? And then we have to remember which gender is which word? And the answer is yes. Yes, we must. I know it's very, very frustrating. I'm with you. I'm on your side with this. I know. I'm in the same boat. I had to go through the same thing. So I'm going to help you. Don't worry. If you want to ask a question, I want to remind you that we have to put the verb in front and ask, is this a dog? Ist das ein Hund? Ist das eine Katze? Ist das ein Mädchen? Ist das ein Haus? Ist das ein Buch? Write down eine. We'll learn the articles. Voila! I love it. Great job, guys. Enough for today. Cheers! I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690, and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsisyan. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!